There are a few misunderstandings around this concept of spiritual awakening. It is not nearly as mysterious or hard to attain as you may have been led to believe. So let's get started. First, let's talk about exactly what a spiritual awakening is, because that's a little misunderstood. At its core, it's merely your personal relationship that you've developed with our great creator. Whatever word you choose to use doesn't matter. I frequently use the word God or divinity, but you can fill in the blank with whatever you prefer. That personal relationship needs to be two-way, right? Relationships go back and forth. So you may be familiar with prayer or use it or some other system for trying to communicate to divinity. But when you're able to receive communication from divinity, which you probably already have done, but you may not recognize yourself doing it, those intuitive nudges that you get sometimes and you don't know where it came from or why you know what you know, that is your claircognizance or your inner knowing tapping in. That's your personal connection with divinity flowing into and through you. And that's your personal connection with divinity guiding you and giving you those inspired ideas. Most people don't recognize it that way, but that's exactly what it is. Now, when you awaken, it just involves a little more intentionality and skill development. Being able to receive communication that you recognize and trust as coming from divinity, so you want to pay attention to it, is a little bit of a skill because we get into doubting ourselves, don't we? I know I did. So you need to practice. It is a skill, but you are 100% able to develop it, and it doesn't have to be hard or take a long time. You have already received communication at some point in your life through that intuitive nudge or that inspired idea that came to you. So if you'd like to learn more about why you want to lean into this or how to go about it, go ahead and click on one of the next videos, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future trainings.